So what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another vlog. So I'm pretty sure that most of my friends that are following me here on YouTube have been wondering what's happened to me. Let me tell you, man, it has been a crazy couple of weeks, and I just kind of wanted to give you guys an update. Let me see here. Oh, look, I got some other stuff going on here, but look at this thing over here. He's ugly. It's a large man.
Oh, is this the blogs?
Yeah, this is.
Okay.
All right, can you get out of my office now, please? Thank you. Lately, I have had a lot of stuff going on. I haven't even shaved in a couple of weeks because I've been moving. I lost my shaver in the process. But my current office situation has also deteriorated pretty bad. I don't know how well you can see behind me, but I'm in boxes, and this is my current workstation. Bam, this is what I'm currently reduced to. So besides moving, we also have picked up quite a few deals. I think I've wholesaled at least like 7 or 8 properties in the past 3 weeks. Some land deals, a couple of houses. It's been pretty good. I think it's been almost 2 months since I posted any of my last vlogs. But, you know, been diligently working hard. I even started up another business. Now, I remember telling you guys probably some part of the 30-day challenge that I was going to be starting another business, and then you guys are going to be pretty surprised. Well, that business is trucking. Now, if you guys have been watching me on my Instagram, I posted a picture of the truck, and in case you guys are wondering, it's a 2012 Freightliner Cascadia automatic. Great truck. Actually just found a driver yesterday, so hopefully we can get that thing on the road in the next 2 weeks. And I know you're probably thinking, why would you start a trucking business if you're in real estate? Well, because I need some cash flow. Right now freight prices are really high, so I might as well take advantage, and I had some money laying around. Me and my partner decided, hey, you know what? Let's buy this truck. It's something we've been thinking about for quite a while now, maybe about 6 months. So now I have the opportunity to do it. I just, took the plunge. Plus, this whole moving thing, man, this moving thing has taken everything out of me. Number one, I still don't have my desk. I'm actually gonna probably go pick it up today from my apartment. And unpacking my office has been a nightmare. I've got books, I've got video equipment, my printer is on the floor, and I'm using this little tiny table that my printer is usually on in order to work from it. So the situation has not been that great, but you kind of have to deal with things like this sometimes when you want to do something great. Now my office is a little bit smaller than my office was in my apartment, but the good thing is that now I don't have to worry about a lot of stuff. Like my neighbors were complaining about my kids. They needed somewhere to play. I have a backyard now. It's a nice size house. I also have a walking trail, and I'm near a gigantic lake. So hopefully I can get more work done, and also I can do more vlogging. Because I hated vlogging in my apartment. My apartment was really small. It's 1,300 square feet, and now the house I'm in is 2,200 square feet. So pretty good upgrade. Good upgrade for my kids. They have a lot of great places to play now. The only thing I hate about my office, though, is those French doors. Those French doors, man, they suck. And I'll tell you why. Because they let in all the sound of my house. So I don't really have a good quiet spot now. And that kind of makes me mad. I think it could just be because there's a large 1-inch gap underneath the door. But, other than that, guys, that is the main reason why you guys haven't seen me in a while. It's just because, number one, I broke my routine. I haven't been getting up at 5 o'clock in the morning every day. I've been getting up later because right now my life is disorganized. Between wholesaling, the trucking business, and moving, trying to do them all at once, it's very hard. Hopefully once my office is unpacked, which I'm hoping to get it done by this weekend, my life will be a lot more in order and I can vlog more. I have other vlogs shot. I just wanted to kind of use this vlog as an update vlog to let you guys know what's going on with my life and why you haven't seen any videos lately is because I just haven't had time to edit them. This one's gonna probably be an easy one to edit. But other than that, we're still closing deals. We're out here diligently working. I've sent out a lot of text messages. I actually had to pause my text campaign because there was too many going out. We were falling behind. Sent out over 30,000 text messages, and in the last 14 days, well, actually 20, what's today? I think today is the 22nd or the 23rd. So in 23 days, not every single day, but in 23 days, we've sent out over 15,000 to 20,000 text messages, which is incredible. Last 30 days, 40 days, we've sent out over 30,000. And it's been, it's been crazy. And then besides that, I still got ringless voicemails going out every day. We're doing about 200 to 300 ringless voicemails daily. So the marketing is still, rolling on some point, but we couldn't handle all the text messages. It was me, my partner, my cold caller, and my other cold caller. We were all just going through the text messaging, and it started getting out of hand to where I was like, you know what, let's pause it. We've done a lot. Let some of these people rest, as well as, let me catch up on follow-ups and stuff like that. Me and my partner are working diligently to go through some of our old follow-ups. That way we can try to get some old deals. We've got a lot of new deals on the contract. It's been wild. It's been really wild. But it's been fun though. It's a lot of hard work and effort that has gone into this, and hopefully we can maximize on this. I'm hoping to also unpack my office because number one, without my dry erase boards right here, that it's turned around right now, but usually, man, that board has all my deals or all the stuff that I got to get done, and then my other mini board over there has a lot of other stuff, and I've been missing them for the past week because I'm still moving stuff from my apartment. Hopefully I can get everything over here soon and get everything unpacked, and hopefully my life will be a little bit more in order. So other than that, guys, thank you so much for all of you have inquired and hit me up and say, hey man, what's happened to you? Everybody that has hit me up, hey, thanks for checking on me. I've just been out here working, hustling. That's why I had to disappear for a little bit. But hopefully some new vlogs coming soon. I'm also gonna go ahead and edit some of my old vlogs that I haven't posted up yet, and I'll shoot them on. That way you guys have something to watch in the meantime. So thank you guys for everything, and thank you for watching. Hope you guys are all winning in your business, and I'll catch you guys on the next vlog.